Hey there, I'm Paul Valentino, Subaru product specialist here at Camelback Subaru in Central Phoenix. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about my favorite Eyesight safety technology feature, the adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Let's say you've decided to take a day trip up north to Sedona. Great weather, red rocks, and hiking galore. Now to keep the fun rolling and the miles from wearing on you, Eyesight is here to help. Advanced adaptive cruise control will not only maintain your set miles per hour, but will also monitor slower vehicles ahead, adjusting your speed to maintain your preset distance. And, if necessary, the system will even bring you to a full stop. How cool is that? With lane centering, it will also detect road lines with hawk-like vision to keep you nice and centered on the road, making small steering corrections even around curves. Now, to activate cruise control, you press the speedometer button on the steering wheel. Your center media display will have a Subaru pop up. Press down on the bottom set toggle switch to set speed and up or down to adjust it. While driving with adaptive cruise control, you will know when your Subaru has locked onto a vehicle ahead when a second car pops up. You can adjust up to 4 following distances by increasing or decreasing the left bar buttons up or down. To activate lane centering, press the bottom right steering wheel button. When both lines are detected, it will highlight solid white bars on your display, to which your Subaru will make small steering inputs. Now it's important to remember that these Subaru Eyesight systems are not driver replacement technologies. They're just for assistance. Thank you so much. Please like this video. Let us know what other Subaru content you'd like to see in the comments below.